Hey everyone, this is me Shudeshna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, as you already know by the title, I am going to share my facial cleanup routine with you guys. Means how I do my cleanup by myself at home. Not just because of this lockdown period I am doing this by myself. I am used to do my facial cleanup by myself at home only. So yeah, also the main twist of this video would be whatever products I am going to use in this video are going to be under 100 rupees. So this is quite budget friendly as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. First, to wash my face, I am starting with this Neutrogena Deep Clean Face Wash. I am taking a generous amount of it and just massaging it all over my face thoroughly, and then just washing it off with some normal water. Then I'm using this Biotic Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. Now this is the bigger one. You can get the smaller one within 70 to 75 rupees. Now I am just mixing some water in it and just stirring it really well, and then just massaging it onto my face with a very soft hand. You got to be very soft handed while you are using this particular scrub, because this has got some very harsh particles into it. If you give much pressure to it, your skin can get scratched, so you got to be careful and gentle. Whatever products I am using here, I am going to list it down in the description box below. In case you want to check that out, you can. I am just massaging it in a circular motion with a very soft hand. As you can see, it's time to wash it off. Next, I have taken a cotton cloth like this and I have dipped that into some warm water. You can take the direct steam as well, that is even better. And I am just placing that cloth onto my problematic areas, such as wherever I do have black and whiteheads problem, and holding it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I have taken a spoon like this which has a sharp edge, and then I am just placing it onto my nose, giving it a certain pressure to remove all those black and white heads from my nose. I am just running the spoon in several directions. Sometimes I am going for an upwards direction, sometimes I am going for an downwards direction, and sometimes the direction that I am showing in this clip. As you can see, this steaming technique is going to help your skin to get soften up. Also, this is going to open up all those pores onto your face, so that it will be easier for you to sweep away all those black and white heads from your face in one go. In that case, you have to give a minimal pressure onto your skin. Also, today I am going to use a sheet mask, so all the essence of that sheet mask is going to get penetrated onto the inner layer of your skin through those pores. I am doing the same thing onto my chin, and I am going to do the same thing onto my forehead. Now the whole idea of this video was, I thought this would be the high time to let our skin breathe. We can take care of our skin better than we can do usually on our daily lives. So in this lockdown, let your skin glow from within. Next up, for my mask today, I am going to use this Face Shop Calendula sheet mask. Now I love sheet mask. My love for sheet mask is never going to get end, especially this Face Shop one. They have got a lots of variants in this particular range. You can go for either of them. I feel that they do the same job pretty much. They just hydrate your skin to the next level. If you have got an acne prone skin, you have to be choosy enough to pick up the right variant for you. In that case, you can go for the tea tree variant. So yeah, I am just applying that mask onto my face, and I am going to leave that for good 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I thought of giving you an old school face mask option. This is the Biotic Biofruit face mask. Now this is a really good face mask to go for. This comes within 70 to 75 rupees. This claims to be a whitening and tan removing face mask. Now the texture of this face mask is like so, and you got to spread the face mask all over your face like this, and you have to give its own time to get dried, and then you have to just rinse it off with some normal water. My 20 minutes is over now. It's time to pull off the sheet mask. You got to pull off the sheet mask always in an upwards direction, like so. Now with a very soft hand, I am just massaging the essence of that sheet mask onto my face. I am making sure that it all gets absorbed onto the inner layer of my skin. After that, I am using a patting motion to do so, as you can see. Next up, I am using an aloe vera gel which is from Patanjali. This is easily available and this comes within 50 to 60 rupees. I have taken a generous amount of it and I'm just warming it up a little bit and then massaging it all over my face. This is going to work as a serum onto my face. This is going to close all those open pores from my face, ensuring that they wouldn't get clogged by any means. You can use any moisturizer that you already own. Me personally belong to a combination skin family and I have got enough hydration from this sheet mask, so I didn't go for any heavy moisturizer. Next up, I am finishing it off with some lip balm. I am using the Vadi Herbal Strawberry Lip Balm. So that was it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Stay tuned for my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.